Kani gadega Pati CTV.
Kazero dah kabade kawai ni ki company balam khamat akari India ka jingde jingtiet yakitiar kitar jong kiwai pat ki company lingba ka jingpenun kam ya kabut jing start katkum gajuk mentah lingba ki internet ne online khatlai trek yong kalawan poi nong ba shlong ban pensha ya ki jingtmu pat rukam trekam jongka ka jingelang bat kilat patai kubor ka nong ba center point khandailan hakani kasngi ka company lingba limi khmat jongka ukartek rangkapa baru British Chakrabarti kala palai pai baru ki kot batip kerteng Ropetils ka company zero da kala pen paru ya ka jingbon ki balai sno pat kumju pan pleru ya kalan pan kamai da ka direct mutual fund platform coin ka zero da kala pen pau ya ka jingkiu stat ha ka jingtre kam jongka ha ka penrung ki khot ki bobon ki blakot sispa lai % da ka bentau senam arja khat riau khat nyu ka zero da ka don ki khot ki palat point san lang ngot akari India ban ka jala Meghalaya ki khot ki la kiu sispa khat 100% da ka bentau senam arja khat riau khat nyu ya kene ka company lasdang ban pentre kam na du senam arja chpo kartek abai kran bikla pathai khobor la patai phanga zero da coin platform kabre kawai ni ki benta kabala ban pelong yu dekhat ban thiet iki mutual fund ka online bat ka bapalan na ka jingsha bamba yo nong ka balong bet ni ki try ka company ya kino ki jingde ni jingthiet na ka benta nu nong thiet upathiet iki mutual funds ka balong bet thik ni ki company ki bawkwa man thiet kalong ka babyang palat akabai nu jor ba ki pat laung kartek bolai thu pa ka company hi ka don menta artli kitna trekam nyoputli ki office pa santli kitna trekam kibla ban ajing sha hilor ka zero da company.
Shillong as a market for us is very interesting. Overall in the country we've been growing at roughly about 180% and Shillong is close to about 130% year-on-year growth for us. Right, so we do have active clients. We in fact have a local office here in Lumbasa, right? And we do have. We were extremely encouraged with the way people of Meghalaya, particularly in Shillong, are identifying us and relating with us and opening accounts with us. So that's very encouraging. We are just providing you a platform. And the uniqueness about this platform is that it's a direct platform, so we connect you directly with the asset management company. So the difference is, if you buy mutual fund through a distributor, right, then you end up paying commissions up to about 1.5% of whatever you invest. But through us, you wouldn't be paying that, right? So that's a huge amount of saving for yourself. And Zerodha as such is a very although it's a 6-year-old company, 7-year-old company, we have close to about 2.5 lakh clients pan-India, and we do close to about 5% of National Stock Exchange turnover. But see, our model is really an online model. You don't need to, it's not a brick and mortar kind of business for us. You wouldn't be surprised. We have clients starting from Kanyakumari, Andaman Nicobar to Shillong to probably even from Srinagar. So it's across the country we have clients. And see, another thing that you need to know, we are heavily regulated by the governing body, which is SEBI, RBI, and of course the stock exchanges themselves. And it is not easy to, as most people think, what if you take my money and run away? That won't happen because we are a very heavily regulated company. And we do have bank guarantees and deposits with the exchanges.
Kani gadega Pati CTV.